Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Yahoo's customer support. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Yahoo Mail application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you download the Yahoo Mail app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Yahoo Mail, where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account on whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now to here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to contact Yahoo customer support. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen, top left corner where you have your profile picture. Click on that, and that takes you here where you have upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, add another mailbox, manage account, you have notifications, you have settings, you have feedback. Now you can click on settings, and that takes you over here into this window where you have a couple of features and categories. Now scroll the way down till you head over to Yahoo Mail Plus. We have about Yahoo Mail, you have manage accounts privacy, you have send feedback, you have rate and review, and you have help. So click on help. And that's going to open up the next window where we can now get help. So over here are customized questions that you can definitely choose from. If you do not have answer to any of, if you don't have an answer displayed right here, you can use the contact us button right here, which is at the bottom of your screen. So go ahead and click on contact us, and you definitely get the contact address or the contact information for Yahoo Plus. You'll be able to get in touch with them directly. So you have see project related help articles, and you have get help with abuse issues in Yahoo Mail. Just choose any of these options and get in touch with them to definitely respond to you. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.